Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So let's get started. So if you want to set a custom ringtone for your WhatsApp application in your Android device, so to do that what you can do is just simply head over to your WhatsApp and then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application, and then you'll find the eye icon. What you can do is just simply tap on it. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on miss. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on notifications. After tapping on notifications, these are all the notifications that you'll receive from WhatsApp. So now if you want to customize them, what you can do is just simply tap on one of those notifications and then tap on it once, and you will find the option which is sound. Just tap on sound, and now you can add a notification sound from here. So just select any one of this sound, or if you want to add your customized sound, then what you can do is just simply tap on add notifications. And now to add a customized song, first you have to download a notification sound. So what you can do is just simply download it from Google or anywhere else, and after downloading it, now that will be saved in your downloads. So to access them, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on downloads. After tapping on downloads, now every downloaded file will be saved in your downloads, so you can access it from here. So I don't have a downloaded file, so what I'll do is I'll just simply select one of these notification sound. After selecting it, just tap on OK, which is on the bottom, and after tapping on OK, now you have successfully changed the notification sound of this specific notification. So you can do the same with some other notification that you can find over here. So that's it guys, this is how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.